Welcome to the Jungle Jamboree, where the wild wonders of the jungle come alive. Hello, my jungle friends. Today we are going to learn jungle sounds. Are you ready to make jungle sounds? Our Jungle Jamboree is a place of wonder. Remember each sound and keep the jungle alive in your heart. Yay, let's go! Watch Ellie's mighty feet as she stomps. Boom, boom! Can you stomp like Ellie and feel the jungle's heartbeat? Good job! Freddy the Frog croaks ribbit ribbit by the water's edge. Can you ribbit ribbit like Freddy the Frog? Good job! Tony the Tiger tiptoes through the jungle. His grrr is soft but fierce. Let's tiptoe and grrr like Tony, but shh, don't scare the monkeys. Good job! Percy the Parrot loves to talk. Can you say hello, just like him? Good job! This is Sasha the Snake. She loves to slither through the jungle. Can you hiss like Sasha the Snake? Good job! Meet Mimi the Monkey. Listen to her ooh ooh aha as she swings along. Can you ooh ooh ah ah like Mimi the Monkey? Good job! That is all the jungle animals. And now, it's time to say goodnight. Close your eyes and dream of the jungle's lullaby. Until our next adventure, keep listening to the world around you. Good night, little explorers. As the moon climbs high and the jungle quiets down, our animal friends find their rest. From Ellie's gentle stomp to Tony's quiet grrr, each sound has shared a tale. Thank you for watching. Chuckles and chaos! Just the ordinary, being extraordinary. Like and subscribe.